So toll fraud is when a hacker would access your phone system and use your phone system to make fraudulent calls. Now, these are generally to high value call destinations such as Cuba or Somalia, where call costs can run into the pounds per minute. Now, if your phone system is compromised and calls made to this destination over a weekend, it can run into the thousands. Now, it's a huge risk to have your system completely unprotected and to not have any features added on that could support you. So generally hackers do it to make money, so they can access your phone system, use that to dial out overseas or high value destinations. Sometimes a hacker might just hack the phone system just for fun, just to prove that they can hack your phone system and it's unsecure. And it may not be somebody sat on a PC the other end. It could be an automated process on a server somewhere. You just don't know. So there are features and bolt-ons that you can add on, which you need to speak to your phone provider through, or speak to MF. So one is called exceptional call reporting, where you would use your a feature which monitors the call traffic on your lines. This is for fixed lines, so your ISDN2 digital lines, ISDN30 digital lines, and your analog lines. There is a risk in this because there's a lag. You don't get notified until the day after, so it's not real-time reporting. It's a fantastic product. It's there to use. It's a small monthly bolt-on, but yeah, if you were to move to VoIP, or if you are on VoIP, so IP telephony, so calls over the internet, it's slightly more advanced, where it's a bit more real time. So one is where you can, on your IP phone system, on your cloud phone system, you can add certain time limits. So if a call's over a certain period of time, or if you hit a certain cost threshold, then your phone system will be barred, which is a brilliant product. It comes with the service. It's free of charge. It's superb. Another way that you can do this is via your phone system. So if you have a fixed on-premise phone system, you can set certain parameters. So calls over 30 minutes are barred, calls to certain high-value, high-risk destinations, Somalia, Cuba, Madagascar, places like that, obscure destinations that are high risk of fraud. You can set your phone system to bar those destinations, or bar it after a certain period of time. Now, if you don't have any product at all to help reduce the risk of toll fraud, speak to your telecoms provider or get in touch with MF Telecom Services, and we can advise you accordingly. It's a massive risk, high cost. So yeah, certainly it's something that you need to look into.